In today's video, I will show you exactly how to log in into your bank Dhofar online banking account quickly and securely. So to get started, you need to simply open any of your preferred web browser. So over here, you will have to type this URL, which is bankdhofar.com. So once you are over here on the home page of this bank, you are going to see the option of online banking on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on it, it is going to open a new tab and it will look something like this in front of you. Over here, you need to select which type of internet banking you want to log in into. So it is going to give you three different options. We have personal internet banking, then we have business internet banking and the corporate internet banking. So whichever bank account you have with the bank, you will have to select on that particular option. Once you do this, you will be shown this type of login page in front of you. Over here, you need to enter your user ID, then select your preferred language. After that, click on the option of login. So this way, you will be able to log in into your Bank Dhofar online banking account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple banking tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.